Hello, I made a website for cubers, cubingle.com, a site where you can find all CFOP algorithms and learn Rubik's Cube basics. First, you can learn Rubik's Cube notations with 3D visuals and understand the algorithms. You can learn basic F2L situations with the easiest algorithms. You can memorize the OLL algorithms without complexity. You can easily memorize the algorithms by getting to know PLL algorithms with 3D double visuals. You can also test yourself from the timer in the site. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and follow. Help me improve the site.